It's leaking right there. It's all wet. Looks like this whole side was also leaking out. There's really no real scuff marks. Alright, well I say we just clean this up and see what happens. Oh, that's not good. Wow. I don't know if you can see that, but that bolt is broken. I over torqued it. So here's where we're at on this wheel horse. This is the original head bolt that goes right here. And I was not using a torque wrench. I was just kind of going by feel, doing them all the same. I did originally want to clamp down the head just a little bit tighter than what it was from the factory. I think the spec is like 12 or 14 foot-pounds. I don't know, let me know down in the comments what it actually is, but I was probably torquing it to about 50 or 60 foot-pounds. So anyway, I got real lucky where this bolt elongated in the threads right there. So I went down to my metal supplier, and because I do a fair bit of business with them, he just hooked me up with this. I'm gonna go grab a wrench and we'll get it right in there, and then we'll try to start this thing. The other bolts are all torqued. I know you're not supposed to do it this way, but it's just what happened. They were all torqued evenly until this one bolt broke. So it should be fine. So let's go get a wrench and we will install this bolt. I think that was too long. If you look at this bolt here, it's about half the length. So I think I had the wrong bolt in there and it was just hanging up on the flywheel. Got pretty lucky. Let's see if it fires up now.